tummy, Lala? Where's your tummy? No, no, those are my glasses. Those are my glasses. Not in your mouth. Is this our lesson in reverse psychology? Put them in your mouth, Lala. Put them in your mouth. You gonna put them in my eyes? There we go. Ready? Put them on my eyes. Let's see if we're actually getting this on video. You get it? Yeah. Glasses. You put them on? You have to open them. What? Who are you asking? Oh, thank you. Oh, can I have them? Put them on Mommy. Lala, Mommy's eyes. Thank you. Oh. Ooh, careful. No, Mommy doesn't like that. Thank you. Oh. Mommy feels better. Hey, Lala, where's your belly? Where's your belly? Where's your belly button? Where's your belly button? Ow. Where's your belly? What's this? What's this, Lala? Where's your belly? There it is. There's your belly button. There's your belly button. And your shirt. Belly button. There it is. There's your belly button. It's a good thing we can get a good look at that thing. Hey, sweetheart. Where's your belly? There it is. There's that belly. Oh, that's good. Is that a good belly? Is that a good belly? Yeah. Thank you. Is that my hair? Hair? Yeah, it's nice. Belly. Oh, look at that belly. Oh, look at the belly. Oh, is that your big belly? Thank you. Okay, Mommy's all done. Say your bye-byes. Say bye-byes. Bye-byes. Yeah, silly bug.